Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm just popping on real quick because I had ordered some supplies off of line on Amazon, and I think I purchased this Flower Market paper pad by Carte Bella as an add-on. And so I figured before you go on to purchase it, let me do a quick flip through so you'll have an idea of what's in this pack, because I found it to be very springy and just in time for some Mother's Day cards, but honestly it can be used throughout the year because it just has a really soft theme to it. Anyways, it is raining outside and I have my windows open, so you may hear a little thunder and lightning. You may hear a little bit of nature, but I'm sure you won't mind. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you'll be notified of new videos as I upload them. And if you are a current subscriber, thanks for joining me today. So this is a 6x6 paper pad, and I'm just going to quickly, and I'm going to zoom in just a bit so you can see a little bit more of the detail, because we're all here for the detail, right? So now just a little bit. All right, so here we go. Now I love the soft tones and the raspberry color, and so I definitely know that I'll put that to use. Now I'm a fan of black and white and the bold stripes, and I think it's a great compliment when you're using it with some of the softer tones. It's a good contrast. So now here are, let's see, hello there, welcome. So some of the cut aparts. The rain is coming down now, y'all. Okay. And it's double-sided, and it's decent. It's not too thick, but it's good enough for card making and different crafts. Now look at this print with the trucks. Isn't that the cutest? And then the little floral, the bouquets and the wreaths. And I'm sure if you got the 12x12, the images will be a lot bigger, but this is fine for me for what I'll be using it for. And I love this pattern here. Wood grain. You see that? That's cute. It's really cute. Some more cut aparts. And then you've got your red and white gingham, more floral. Soft pink and like a dusty rose color. And then here's this floral print that I absolutely love. Is this the same as the one all the way in the front? Nope, it's a little bit different. But I'm a fan of the teal. And I'm already breaking apart the pad, but I don't care, I'll be using it soon. Light pink and white or cream, and then you have these really small squares. They look about to be about 1 inch. Oh yeah, it's coming down. Some really pretty florals. The trucks are so cute. And now this is pink and white polka dot, or pink and raspberry polka dots. It's more like a dusty pink, dusty rose. And then the black and white gingham. And then some strips that you, border strips that you can cut apart and use on your projects. And this one I absolutely love. Yeah, I'm totally tearing this paper pack up. But that just lets you know how thick the paper is, because it doesn't stay in the glue. But isn't that pretty? And then I think it repeats from there. So anyways, I just wanted to pop on to show you, if you're a fan of the florals, check out Floral Market. And I think the designer is Jen Allison, and that's Carte Bella. And I found that on Amazon.com. I think it was an add-on for like $4. So anyways, that was it for today. And until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.